Oh my goodness, where are my glasses so I can tell y'all about this tool I got to share with y'all? Girl, life after 60, let me tell you. Oh my gosh, life after 60 is like a juggling act. I'm trying to tell you something. Listen, you're part superhero, you're part hair magician, you're part babysitter, you're part detective. Mainly because I'm always looking for my eyeglasses, y'all. Let's talk. Let's talk. Y'all, in this little box might be something super helpful for you. If you're looking for like a blow dryer plus a straightener for the hair, this is it. No, I did use it on mine, but I might try it. You never know. But I actually used it on my granddaughter's hair. I was looking for something that wasn't going to disturb her curl pattern. I was just trying to loosen it up just a little bit for a couple of styles that I wanted to use because her hair, oh my gosh, the shrinkage is real. And this worked just fine. Not too much heat on it, just a little bit. This here is a hot iron brush. Yeah, it's a hot iron brush. And the name of this one on here says Fashion. But let me tell you something. On those days when I'm trying to get her hair done or I'm rushing and I just don't have time for sectioning and clamping and tugging all with the locks in her hair, that's where this 2-in-1 hair straightener brush totally changes the game for me. Instead of juggling a comb and all kind of tools trying to get her hair done, this here is all in one. It has 3D ceramic coated comb teeth that glide smoothly from root to tip. I don't spend a lot of time on it because she still has very fine kind of hair, just a little bit, just to loosen up the curls a little bit. And this tool here helps with the tangles, and I don't have to worry about frying her hair. It's all about reducing heat damage while leaving the hair looking silky and smooth. The best part, you don't have to sit around waiting. The brush heats up in 30 seconds, which means by the time I turn around and get her situated, it's ready to go. And you also get smart temperature control with it. So whether your hair is fine, thick, or color treated, you can pick the setting that works best for you. Plus the insulated frame and anti-scald coating gives you peace of mind. You're not burning your fingertips while you're doing your hair. And if you're like me, you'll appreciate the details. The extra long swivel cord, the ergonomic handle, and even the 10-minute auto shutoff for safety. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like you're finally in control of your hair routine without all the stress. So if you've been looking for a way to cut down styling time, protect your hair, and still look like you spent time at the salon, hey, this brush might just be for you. And y'all know where to find it. You know it's on Amazon, so check the link below, beautiful babes. Listen, I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you because I know y'all like keeping it cute, right? Don't you like keeping it cute?
But I keep on moving.